The Fashion Police!
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, at a combined weight of 456 pounds, Fandango and Tyler Breezango.
Do you Fandango in the club, Byron? Well, if I went to one, I would. I hope they write you a ticket. These two are ridiculous. You're just jealous.
Rutherford, New Jersey, weighing in at 225 pounds, Steve Culver.
As we get ready for this tag team match, Byron, tell me, who do you like in this one?
Come on, Michael, you know I can't answer that. Look at these teams. They both have what it takes to be the most dominant team WWE has seen in quite some time. There's almost no way to confidently pick one over the other.
And his partner from San Antonio, Texas, weighing in at 240 pounds, Wesley Blake.
Guys, we have a big-time tag team match coming up here.
A big-time match with big-time stakes, Michael. Neither one of these superstars can afford a loss right now.
The tag team action underway here. Boom, what impact. Elbow drop. Piercing. You gotta believe this one's over. Face buster. Thunderous slam.
A Falcon Arrow suplex.
Elbow drop. Right to the heart.
He looks a bit off his game here. It looks to me like he's really trying to carry this team on his back, which really isn't necessary considering he has a very capable partner he can tag in here.
This thing appears to be slipping away from him in a hurry, guys.
Ooh.
And you can bet he envisioned things going much differently for him heading into this match.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, nasty impact. Caught with the elbow. Right on the jaw. My God, right to the gut.
The elbow. Elbow finds its mark.
During the rivalry between the Hardy Boys and Cesaro and Sheamus over the Raw Tag Team Championship, the teams became very familiar with one another. In June of 2017, the teams met in a 2 out of 3 falls bout on Monday Night Raw. The most important fall in a 2 out of 3 falls contest is the first fall. If a team can win the first fall, that sets the tone for the rest of the match, and your opponents are playing catch-up.
Oh, that hurt to the spine. Picking the spot. Backbreaker.
That'll realign your vertebrae.
The 2 out of 3 falls match that saw the Hardy Boys go at it with Cesaro and Sheamus was a throwback of sorts. Throughout the 1960s and 70s, championship title defenses and grudge matches were often decided in a 2 out of 3 falls format. Cesaro and Sheamus didn't waste any time and scored the decisive first fall after a brogue kick rocked Jeff Hardy.
Cesaro and Sheamus wanted to continue their domination of Team Extreme, but the Hardys had other ideas as Matt tied things up at one fall apiece after a twist of fate on the Swiss sideboard. After a swanton bomb by Jeff Hardy, the match broke down and the third fall was ruled a double counter.
What a stomp!
Good grief!
Boom, what impact! Boom!
What a strike!
Oh, and a backbreaker!
Right to the spine.
Scoop slam!
Gutbuster!
Big slam! What a stomp!
Good grief!
Suplex!
Belly to back suplex.
Tyler Breeze gets tagged in. Oh, that hurt to the spine. Picking the spot. This is what makes him so dangerous. There may be no preventing. Oh, and he makes the tag.
That was a game changer right there, Michael.
Nailed it.
Too quick for him there.
Tyler Breeze graced NXT with his presence and immediately proved in matches against Neville, Sami Zayn, Hideo Itami, and Finn Balor that the model extraordinaire wasn't just another pretty face.
Uh-oh. What is Tyler Breeze going to do here?
Oh boy, he is rolling.
That's what they call me, the hot shot.
Missile drop kick finds its mark. Lights out, DDT connects.
Breeze's ability was put to the ultimate test at the first NXT Brooklyn TakeOver event when Breeze looking to super kick from Breeze.
Ooh, I'm not sure how much he has left. Harsh impact.
And here is Fandango in off the tag. Boom, what a kick. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Looks like he's starting to falter.
There have been times in sports entertainment when unlikely duos have formed and over time they develop and bond and become an outstanding tag team combination. The team that immediately comes to mind is the powerhouse duo of Cesaro and Sheamus. After their
There it is, the tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael.
Drop kick. That'll mess up the back of your neck.
What a strike. Right on the mark.
Oh, that's not right. Somebody do something about that. I don't think anyone thought Cesaro and Sheamus would develop into a premier tag team. Over time, the superstars realized that they were better as allies than as enemies. And when they combined their incredible strength, the results were something that couldn't be ignored.
It was really unbelievable to witness the evolution of Cesaro and Sheamus as a team. We saw them improve every week and conquer a variety of opponents. To see the Swiss Cyborg and Celtic Warrior go from unwilling partners to WWE Raw Tag Team Champions was truly impressive.
When this guy's on, look out. This might be it.
Oh my.
What a thing of beauty. The Russian leg sweep by Fandango.
That's what he was looking for, Michael. Man, that happened in the blink of an eye.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Neck breaker.
Ouch.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Elbow drop with authority. Neck breaker. Now Tyler Breeze takes a moment to admire himself. Tyler Breeze is measuring.
He's almost got him.
Hooked up and belly to back suplex. Knee drop.
That's how you wear down your opponent. I'm not sure if I've ever seen anyone more self-absorbed than Tyler Breeze. Breeze likes to point out that he enjoys seasonal residences around the world, and that it's not about what he's wearing, but who he's wearing.
Clothesline.
Right in the back of the neck.
Oh, boom.
Oh, swept the leg right out from under.
Cutler thinks he can just breeze into the main event on any card he's competing on. Breeze also feels that he deserves to be WWE Champion and is a sure first ballot WWE Hall of Famer.
Whether it's NXT or WWE, Tyler Breeze stuns audiences with his phenomenal good looks, superb fashion sense, and air of cultural sophistication. Breeze reminds me of individuals like ravishing Rick Rude and WWE Hall of Famers Gorgeous George and Nature Boys, both Buddy Rogers and Ric Flair.
Fandango wants to take a chance.
Ooh, what impact! Backflip suplex!
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, what a boot!
Oh, an elbow drop! Oh, it's a piercing elbow.
Beautiful technique.
Effectively using the knee.
Oh! Nailed it.
Uh-oh. I'm afraid to think what's going to happen next. In a tag team contest, a superstar and partner lock up against another duo. Unless there's a special stipulation added to the match, the traditional rules of a singles match apply in terms of winning the match via pinfall, submission, countout, or disqualification.
Superplex! Drop kick! It's the mark. Suplex! In a standard tag team match, one competitor is in the ring against an opponent, and their teammate is in their corner standing on the ring apron. I should also point out that the competitor in the ring, as far as the referee is concerned, is the legal man. Only the legal man can attempt to score a fall over an opponent or be defeated by an opponent.
In a tag match, when a superstar tags their partner, the person who tagged out has until the referee's count of 5 to exit the ring. For a tag...
Oh, Tyler Breeze may have it.
Oh, using the knee as a weapon.
What a DDT! Wow.
But he's got to capitalize now.
Let's take a look at the replay.
That's highlight reel material right there. In May of 2017, SmackDown Live saw an incredible...
He's looking at it. No, reverses it.
Another great tag team match here tonight. I don't think the tag team scene has ever been hotter here in WWE.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, nasty impact. I think only a group as treacherous as the Welcoming Committee could bring Becky Lynch and Charlotte Flair back together. Natalia's powers, he's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Tyler is downright scary when he gets going like this.
DDT!
Look out. Tyler Breeze is measuring.
That single leg Boston Crab. Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Fandango gets tagged in.
Most of the truly great tag teams in sports entertainment created a double team finishing maneuver. The spike pile driver from Anderson and Blanchard, the heart attack from the Hart Foundation, the rocker dropper from the Rockers, or the doomsday device from the Road Warriors. A team needs to have a tag team finisher and be able to execute that finisher on all types of opponents.
Oh, what a chop block.
Fandango looking to attack from high.
Corey, a few moments ago, you mentioned some of the great tag team finishing moves in sports entertainment history. Don't forget about the 3D.
This could end it in a hurry.
Last dance. Here's his...
Hurricane Run.
What an incredible tag team contest.
Here are your winners, Fandango and Tyler Breeze. Breezango.
And it's Fandango finishing off this one for the team.
If you're not feeling good about yourself after a win like that, you better get yourself checked.
I couldn't agree more. What an amazing contest that was.